welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making some yummy, ooey gooey monkey bread. So to start, I'm going to be doing some mini monkey bread. So I have this pan here. It's actually a green pepper pan. Feel free to use a muffin tin, a regular size 8-inch cake pan, bundt cake pan. So I have the sweet Hawaiian rolls. You can use the regular biscuits, but I'm going to try these out. I have some cinnamon, some brown sugar, regular sugar, powdered sugar. This is for the icing. And then I have some butter, y'all. I'm going to be using more butter than this. So I'll say about 2 things of butter. But it's all up to you. Let's get it. What you say, Dan?
Welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channels with Dan said, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and start here. I have my sweet Hawaiian rolls. And y'all, you can do a lot more than this. I'm just showing you the basics of how to do this quick sweet treat for your family, you guys. It's very quick and very easy to do this monkey bread. I was going to be doing it like another way. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have had all this stuff out making all that noise. I should have, I could have done this another way, as far as in making the dough from scratch or something, but I really didn't want to do that because it's the middle of the week. Hold on, son. And y'all know I like to make sure that I give you guys realistic videos as far as in time. Okay? So, we're going to get Daniel to put in a cup. Here you go, son. A cup of the sugar. There you go. This is something fun y'all can do with your kids. So we're gonna put in a cup. We'll do a cup and a half of sugar. So we have our sugar there, and then we're going to put in a half a cup of the brown sugar. Okay. Dan's gonna do the honors of dumping that in for me. Go ahead, baby. Good job. Okay. And then we're going to put in about. Hold on, son. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons or so of the cinnamon. Now with the cinnamon, you guys, y'all know that has like a very, you okay, son? I know that cinnamon just said poof. Cinnamon is very strong, so you have to be careful with it because you want to make sure that, you know, the cinnamon is not overpowering your sugar, okay? But you want to have just a nice brown color like this, okay?
Let's build it?
Yep. Okay. So we're going to take our scissors here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just take the bread. We're going to cut it in 4 pieces, okay?
Okay. Scissors, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy, do the scissors. Good job. And then you're going to put them in there for me.
Okay.
Watch your little finger. Okay, here you go. All right, y'all. So just cut them in quarters, just like I'm doing right here. Okay. And keep going.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Okay. And y'all can make a lot more. Like I said, I'm just doing just a little bit. Because of course y'all know I don't have that much people that I be cooking for. Okay. So I actually owe this I actually owe this monkey bread to my best friend who's getting on my nerves about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make her monkey bread, y'all, so she can get out my hair about it. How y'all doing today, my creators? We had 200 subscribers, y'all. I screamed, hollered, shout, and did everything else when I seen that. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into my videos. You guys are leaving great comments for me. Always positive feedbacks. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to suggest different things that I cook, go ahead, have at it at the bottom of my page, and go ahead and tell me what you want me, guys. I can't talk, y'all. What y'all want me to go ahead and make next. I'm always open to it, okay? All right, so we have all of the bread in there, and what you want to do is just toss it around. Can you do that, Dan? Toss it around in your sugar. He don't want to get his hands dirty, y'all. He's fun. He a funny old baby.
High five.
Yep.
Come on.
Okay. All right, so you just wanted to have like a nice little dusting on them, just like that. Okay, so I have my pan oiled here, you guys. And what you want to do is just drop in like maybe 3 at the bottom on this side. Go ahead. 1, keep going. 2, 3. So 3 at the bottom, or maybe even 4 at the bottom. It's fine, depending on the size of your pan. You can do this in a muffin tin as well. Okay. Okay. So go ahead and pour that butter on the top there. And I have my oven on 350 right now. And I'm going to bake this for maybe 20 to 25 minutes, okay? Depending on your oven setting, okay? So go ahead and put that in. Look how that look, y'all. Watch it when it come out. Watch it when it comes. So we're going to go ahead and make the icing. And y'all know I have my icing on my channel actually a few times. It's very easy. It's nothing more. Whoops. That's too much. Well, no, that's probably good. So I have a 1.5 cups there of the powdered sugar. And you just want to do a couple of tablespoons of water. Okay. So just a couple tablespoons of water. And always remember, with your icing, you can always go back and thicken it up. Just like I'm going to have to do right now. Okay. Because this is a little thinner than I want it to be. So I'm gonna go in here and thicken it up. There's no way you can mess icing up. I've said that in my videos before as well. And again, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Tish and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Anything you want to see cooked, I can make it. Okay? And I want to thank my returning creators for rocking with your girl thus far. Appreciate you. Oven's ready. All right, so my icing is nice and thick. We're gonna put these bad boys in. God, these things about to be dangerous when they come out. Stay with me, my girl. Okay, y'all, so 20 minutes later, and this is what we have here. They look really good. They're nice and fresh out the oven. I'm gonna let them cool down for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna come back and do the icing, y'all. This looks good, my creators, don't it? I know you want to bite. Go ahead and take your little bite. All right, y'all, be back. Okay, y'all, so they are nice and cooled down. Let's go ahead and drizzle some. Oh my goodness, y'all. Now, you know, don't hurt yourselves with this. I'm trying to tell you, do not hurt yourself. So I'm going to go back over and drizzle twice. I'm going to let this dry a little bit. Then I'm going to come back and drizzle one more time. Okay, y'all. So that first coat is dry. And I'm going to go back just one more time and drizzle that on there. And that is all she wrote. That is it, my creators. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Y'all, make this bread for your kids. Make it with your kids. Make it for yourself. Make it for your grandma, your mama, whoever, y'all. This is a sweet, easy treat. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, my creators, have a blessed one.